So your hair might not look as good as it could if you're not styling with the right products. If you have fine or thin hair, you want to cater towards something more with texture and volume. Something for fine products like a texture powder, which has a matte finish, so it's not going to leave your hair shiny, or sea salt spray, something that's going to add a lot of texture and wave to that hair. If you have more thick hair, more coarse hair, you want something with higher hold and more grit to it to add to really tame that thick hair that you have. Something like some putty, something like paste, a little bit higher hold product that's going to get in there, add more structure, more hold to that thick, coarse hair. Now, let's say you have really dry hair, maybe curly or coily hair. Coming in with a curl cream is going to be really, really important to hydrate it, or a leave-in conditioner as well. Those things are going to smooth out that hair follicles, make sure they are nice and hydrated so they're not all frizzy. Make sure, guys, to pick out which one is right for your hair type and go to town styling with it.